did you know you can use Chat GPT for life hacks? Let me find out I can use Chat GPT to take care of my kids, do my laundry, and wash my clothes. I'm sorry, I can't do that. But I will provide you with 5 different ways that you can actually use Chat GPT in your life to make your life better. Here we go. You can actually use it for health, alternative medicine. Here's a prompt that you can use. Chat GPT, what are some aromatherapy/herbal therapy remedies to manage my stress and headaches? I know I got 6 kids, right? So I got a lot of headaches. So you can use it for bank law too. What are 3 different ways for me to increase my credit score? That is a prompt that you can use in Chat GPT. Oh no. You can also use it for bankruptcy law. How to give me credit though. Number 3, breathwork exercises. 3 different breathwork exercises to help me reduce my stress level. If you live with any men in your house, you know why you need to deep breathe. I'm just going to say one word for you. Public toilet smell. That's enough to make you want to woosah and what all up in their head, because I can't take it anymore. Point and aim. Point and aim. It shouldn't be that hard. Of course, business. Create a product roadmap for my Instagram store. Oh, and car maintenance. Did you know you can use ChatGPT to fix your car? Tell me how to change the oil in X, Y, and Z car. Print out this whole ChatGPT instructions and give it directly over to my sons, because I ain't changing nobody's oil. Okay, just so we're clear. Need more prompts to use ChatGPT in your life? Go ahead and download the guide, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.